and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been so long since I dropped another video in this channel, but for today's video, I'm going to start today's Monday, and I'd really love to start doing a video on Monday kasi feeling ko tuloy-tuloy siya hanggang Friday or Sunday. Start our week, I'm going to unbox my pagbabalik sa Young Living. Actually, I didn't quit. Okay, lagi naman ako nag-diffuse, pero yun lang, hindi ako masyadong nag-share about it, or hindi lang ako masyadong active sa group, and hindi lang ako masyadong active sa social media sharing about it. But I am forever Young Living user, oiler forever, ganun. So mag-unbox na tayo. Let's unbox this one, and I'm going to use a ruler. Open. Ship through Lazada. Pero ang box ay Young Living pa din. Ayan. Ano ang meron? Okay. Para dun pala sa aking mga in-enroll dati, mag-reactivate na din kayo kasi ang daming surprise ngayong taon na to. So, mas mabilis tayo to do the business and to have fun with the travels. Who wouldn't, diba? So, ayan. Of course, secure na secure with all the ganitong packaging, ganyan. And then, first is our Aroma Bright toothpaste. Hindi na tayo gagamit ng may mga pa-fluoride, mga paano. Diba, tinitingnan natin lagi kung dito na tayo, okay? So, ayan na siya. This is very safe, even for the kids. And, naamoy ko na yung may naamoy ako. Ayan. So, tanggalin na natin to para magamit na mamaya. Kasi, alam nyo guys, meron akong nabasang, article online. Ano na nga ba siya? Sa Yahoo, I guess, or Google. So, someone has been diagnosed with liver problems due to alcohol, eme. Pero bata pa po siya, and he never or she never had any alcohol na ininom. So, upon investigation, siya pala ay laging naglilist. Ayoko sabihin, alam niya na, yung minumumog. So, lagi yun siyang naggaganon. So, hindi natin pala namamalayan na nakakaswallow tayo ng small amount ng ganon, and it can cost our liver. Grabe hindi mo alam, no? Kala mo you're safe, but you are not safe, not unless. Okay? So, next. This is buy one, get one collagen complete. This has 10,000 mg of collagen. Alam nyo guys, lagi natin ito nami-misinterpret, natin si collagen. Marami na nasabi na hindi ko kailangan si collagen. Really? Eto, kailangan mo si collagen, sinasabi ko sa iyo. Si collagen ay meron siyang effect guys, not only in the skin, at kailangan mo siya not only for the elasticity of the skin, of course kailangan to ng joint, and kailangan to ng iyong bones. Ayan. Bakit kailangan siya ng joint? Yung mga yung mga bones natin, kinoconnect sila ng mga joints and ligaments, right? Ginagamit ang collagen doon. Oo. Yun ang pinaka-basic na alam natin about collagen. Yung skin, elasticity ng skin, of course, maganda ang collagen, di masyadong wrinkly, ganyan. Pero naman collagen ang katawan natin. But as we grow older, ang collagen production nating katawan ay nag-deplete. And especially pa yan kapag yung tulog mo ay masyadong mababaw, masyadong hindi okay, ganyan. Kasi ang collagen ay nade-develop or nangyayari siya kapag tulog ka. So, kung kulang sa tulog, malamang sa malamang. Tapos, meron pa tayong nilalabanan ng malnutrition. Meron pa tayong stress na nilalabanan. So, talaga, si collagen, hindi na siya, nagbe-break apart na siya. So, kailangan natin siya ngayon ng ganito. Kaya wag mo sasabihin na hindi ko kailangan si collagen kasi looking fresh pa naman ako. Hindi lang dahil looking fresh ka. Okay? Okay? Ganun. So, need collagen sa ating sleep kasi 3 mg of glycerin or convert nyo ko ng mg yun ay makikita sa 15 mg of collagen. So, ayan. So, paano naman? Paano naman yun, Okay? So, take Bloom Collagen before matulog, at least siguro 3 to 5 minutes before matulog, para mas madali kang antukin, mas malalim yung tulog mo, mas matulungan mo yung katawan mo to replenish the collagen that you lose, and then, of course, para i-address yung mga collagen na nawala, at saka para makagawa ng bagong collagen. So, yun. So, this has no flavors at all. No preservatives. Always, kapag siyang living seed to seal yan, walang preservatives, walang eme-eme, walang synthetic, walang toxic na nakahalo doon sa products. Okay? And no artificial sweeteners, of course. So, ayan siya. At huwag kakalimutan, shake well muna bago gamitin, alright? Or inumin, ganun. So, ayun. So, lahat ng kailangan mo malaman, nandito naman na. Ayan siya. So, this is a Peptan Marine Collagen, okay? With grapefruit, lemon, and lime essential oils and delicious wolfberry citrus flavor. So, ayun, guys. Isa pa ang gusto kong, ma-achieve this 2024, not only to start with Bloom Collagen. Ito, guys, meron pa pala tong lotion and cleanser, which I cannot afford right now pa. So, pag-iipunan. And, ano pa ba? Ang gusto kong i-achieve pa pala this year, not only this one, but gusto ko ding i-achieve yung 14 days reset with Ningxia. Ayan. So, in my next video, no, or sana, hopefully, yun ang susunod nating i-unbox. Ayan. So, for today, we have I get the best of it talaga. The buy one, get one Bloom Collagen, and of course, the buy one, get one RC and Thieves para goodbye, tahol-tahol. And para din sa ating oral health, of course, the Aroma Bright toothpaste. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo ding start ng journey wherein you're gonna live green and longer, aiming to be centenarian, just DM me. I got you covered. So, thank you so much, Young Living. Ayan, ito na ating pagbabalik. Very excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.